morning, Tuesday, April 27th, and here is what's on tap today for math. So you're going to start your hour taking the lesson 4 volume quick check in Schoology. And so when you get into Schoology, you'll see it there for you to take. There's 10 questions there. And in that, there is a couple true, false, and then it goes into some multiple choice as well. So you have a little bit of a mixture. So you can use your calculator, you can use your notes, you can use your formulas, that formula sheet that we created for your test on Friday. You can use those volume formulas for this quick check. You can use your book. And you also know that you can retake it unlimited times. And so if you don't score well the first time when you take it, then you know you can go back in and redo those, retake it up to 100%, right? Unlimited times. So that is number 1, and that is the most important to complete today. After that, number 2, it says time remaining. So I put on there Chapter 8 Schoology retakes. And what I mean by that is if I go down this graded Chapter 8 graded checklist right now, you can go back to your mid-year review, which we did right before spring break, and it is included within this Chapter 8 checklist. And if you did not score well on that, then go back in again and try it. Try to get a higher score, okay? Or the circle practice, this one right here, circle practice with radius and diameter. Same thing, if you're not at 100% there or it's still missing, then go back in and redo it again. The lesson 1 and 2 circles quick check, also in Schoology. Again, if you did not get up to 100% there, you go back in and do it. And then today is lesson 4. There's no reason why you can't take those items in Schoology and go back through and get to 100%. It makes a difference in your grade. We are looking at about 7 weeks, really maybe 6.5, because that last week we have some half a days and exam days. So, left in the trimester, and it's going to go very, very quick. So please make sure you address that first after you finish today's quick check. Please look at those. The next thing would be the missing work, right? So anything else in this checklist that's not done, including ALEKS, go into PowerSchool. I said this yesterday, and look and see if you have zeros. If you have zeros, that means you should be trying to make those up before this all closes on Friday. And then lastly, and this is completely last after everything else has been taken care of, this BuzzMath riddles and brain teasers. So I haven't shown this to you yet, but if you log into BuzzMath, okay, and let me get myself out of here real quick. When you go into your home screen, you should be able to click on books. And then you should be able to change your book. Now, yours is probably set at the 7th grade book. Everybody's should be. But if you, right underneath, change it, you should be able to scroll down and find brain teasers. There's a few things here that additional things that BuzzMath offers for you. These brain teasers are pretty cool. So if you click on that and you click on the riddles, and you'll see there's a few different types of riddles here. And then underneath it are some math challenges, and they just call them Sonia's math challenges. These are very cool as well. And so you can end your hour after the quick check working through and trying some of these, whether it's the math challenges or the riddles. And there's really no particular order in the riddles. Like you could go to any one you want to first and try those. So if you try one and you're getting stuck, then go to a different one and see if you get it better. The math challenges, I think you do have to go in this order. I'm not 100% on that because I have not gone through all of them. But again, check these out. This is, again, just a pretty cool feature in BuzzMath. So that is your hour today for Tuesday. And Wednesday at home, right? You're working on ALEKS. And then Thursday and Friday, we're going to be doing your practice test, your study guide for Chapter 8, and then the test is Friday. So have a great Tuesday. I believe today is closer to 70 degrees, which is awesome. Enjoy some outside time today, and I will see you back on video on Thursday.